A quick revision of scapula. We'll talk about all the muscles, origins and insertion. So on the costal surface, so this is the costal surface, ये ribs की तरफ होने वाला है. यहाँ पे there is a fossa which is known as subscapularis fossa. This is going to give origin to subscapularis muscle. अभी इस costal surface के medial border पे you can see the insertion of serratus anterior muscle. Now on the dorsal surface it is getting divided into two parts because of this spine process. So there is supraspinatus fossa and there is infraspinatus fossa. The supraspinatus fossa as well as the superior surface of the spinous process, this is going to give origin to the supraspinatus muscle. The infraspinatus fossa as well as the inferior surface of the spine, it is going to give origin to infraspinatus muscle. On the superior border, it is going to give origin to inferior belly of omohyoid. Between the superior angle and the root of spinous process, यहाँ पे आपको levator scapula की insertion देखने को मिलेगा. At the root of spinous process, you can see the rhomboid minor का insertion and नीचे की तरफ you can see rhomboid major का insertion. And on the lateral border of dorsal surface, we know the upper 2/3 part is going to give origin to teres minor and the lower 1/3 is going to give origin to teres major. After that, on the inferior angle, we can see there is origin of latissimus dorsi. Now, this is the spinous process of scapula. The upper lip, it is going to give insertion to trapezius muscle as well as acromion process. Medial border is also going to give insertion to the trapezius muscle. The lower lip of the spine of scapula, it is going to give origin to the deltoid muscle as well as the acromion process lateral border, it is also going to give origin to the deltoid muscle. From the tip of the coracoid process, we can see there is origin of coracobrachialis and short head of biceps. And on the medial surface, we can see there will be insertion of the pectoralis minor muscle on the coracoid process only. After that, we saw there is a glenoid cavity, there is a supraglenoid tubercle, and then there is an infraglenoid tubercle. The supraglenoid tubercle, it is going to give origin to the long head of biceps, and the infraglenoid tubercle, it is going to give origin to the short head of triceps. So these are the muscles related to your scapula.